In today's video, I'll show you how to get infinite money in Euro Truck Simulator 2. Check my video description for this cheat engine download link. Once download done, install the cheat engine. Once installation done, open. Select your process to open and make sure the game is running in the background. And select the Euro Truck Simulator 2 and select open option and select no. In value, you need to type how much dollars you have. In my case, 2,299. Once you type first scan option, minimize this and you can spend dollars or reduce the dollar. Once you're done, note down how much dollars you have. Press Alt Tab and open the cheat engine. Right now I have 2,139. 2,139. Select this next scan option. Select these two values and select this copy all selected item to the address list. Select this both using the Ctrl plus A, right click and select change record and select value. Type the value you want. I'm gonna type unlimited money. Just gonna use 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you type the money you will want, select OK option. Just minimize this and get back to the game. Just press the escape key and go to services, truck dealer. Once you press the escape key, you can able to see the changes you have made. I'm gonna get back to the game. As you can see here also it shows the changes, and that's how you can get ultimate money in Euro Truck Simulator 2. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.